Hi friends, recently in the media you have read center doesn't have money to pay to the states. So a lot of speculations came, government has become bankrupt, they don't have money, and all the GST collections now the central government will keep and they will not give anything to the state. The whole media report is actually misleading. What the center meant when they don't have money to pay to the states, there is something called compensation, which I have spoken in my previous video also. So what is compensation? Compensation is, now see, when the GST was introduced, all the states had an apprehension that their revenues may be reduced because of the introduction of GST. So the central government gave them a promise telling them, keeping a base of 1 year, every year 14% increment will be there in the collection. So if suppose 100 rupees, 114 rupees will be the next year, again 14% jump in the next year. For next 5 years, government ensured and guaranteed that they will, the minimum GST collection of an incremental of 14% will be given every year. So if there is a shortfall, then government will compensate that, and for that reason there was a compensation act which was introduced, and all the sin and luxury goods were taxed additionally in over and above GST compensation cess, so that that can be met for the compensation of the states. So now because of this pandemic, last 6 months, 5 months, the collections of GST is very, very bad. So what it means? It means even though in the normal situation, if GST would not have been there, the collections of all the states would have been down. So center is just giving a hint, okay, maybe this year the compensation may be difficult to pay, or they have to find some other alternative to fund or reduce the gap of this compensation. So it's basically, it is a compensation cess which the central government has told it is difficult to pay, not the state government GST which they directly get from the account and it's not given by central government. So there is no impact on the state GST collections, it's only on the compensation. So let this confusion and the dispute get settled. Okay, center doesn't have money to pay, center doesn't pay money to the states, states get their part of GST collections directly from the system, and center doesn't pay to them. So thank you.